Welcome to today's video where we dive deep into the essentials of listing your property for short-term rentals in Calgary. Whether you're new to this or a seasoned host, this guide will walk you through preparing your property to shine in the competitive market. Let's start with the legal necessities. Hosting guests in Calgary for up to 30 days requires a business license. You'll need a few things for this: your floor plan, proof of ownership or consent, a robust insurance policy, and if you're in a condo, permission from the condo board. The fee for a Tier 1 license, which covers up to 4 rooms, is $100, and for Tier 2, accommodating more than 4 rooms, it's $172. Safety is paramount. Calgary mandates annual fire department inspections to ensure your property is safe and welcoming. Each guest room must have at least one fully operable window to serve as an emergency exit, free from any internal or external blockages. Also, your property should be equipped with smoke and carbon monoxide detectors, first aid kits, and clearly marked escape routes. Next, let's talk about listing your property accurately. It's crucial to be clear about the amenities, location, and house rules right from the start. This transparency helps manage guest expectations and minimizes disputes. Additionally, always be available to respond to inquiries quickly and keep your space tidy and inviting. Consider hiring a co-hosting company like Prowess Property to help handle the day-to-day tasks of managing your rental. With Prowess, you won't just have a co-host working with you. You'll have a partner who brings over a decade of expertise in short-term rentals. Whatever questions or confusions you may have, we've got you covered. Now, back to the video. Insurance is another critical aspect. While Airbnb's host guarantee offers some protection, it's wise to understand its limits and consider additional coverage to protect your property and assets fully. Now, about respecting the community, keeping noise levels down, being mindful of parking, and using shared spaces considerately are all important. A happy community leads to happy guests. Make sure to display your license number in your online ads and provide clear emergency contact information inside your property. Follow Calgary's Good Host Guide by taking only one booking at a time and adhering to the 2 adults per room rule, with a maximum of 4 rooms for a Tier 1 license. And if you have a larger property or are planning to expand, a Tier 2 license allows you to host 10 or more guests. That's a wrap on today's episode about short-term rental success in Calgary. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the rental market and let us know in the comments which cities you'd like us to explore next. Until then, keep your standards high and your guest rooms ready.